Okay, this is video 2 on just short little videos you can do that are maybe 15 seconds up to a minute. Okay, where they're kind of easy, you get comfortable filming yourself. So get in that car, sitting back of the steering wheel where no one can see you. Or maybe you're by yourself in your apartment or house, or maybe you're not too shy where you don't mind talking into your phone. But just go into selfie mode, video, selfie mode, and just practice. No one can see what you're doing. You don't even have to record if you don't want to. Get the lighting, the hair, the makeup, the sunglasses. You'll hate how you hear, what you sound like. You'll hate what you look like. But my gosh almighty, the more you practice, you're going to get this down. Like if you start doing this every day, a week from today, you're going to start doing video. You'll do 14 videos a day, upload them to YouTube and Instagram and TikTok. All of a sudden, there's you everywhere spreading the information about this opportunity. You've got to do it. Get addicted. Have fun. Okay? And we'll go over other video, whereas if you are shy and you don't want to, talk like this, we can make it to where you're just talking. Or maybe have someone else do it for you. But gosh darn it, we're going to get you real good at this. Okay, what I did, I just put in, this is like just an email, and I'm going to ad lib. Okay? So at this time, here we go. I just got my phone up to my mouth so you can see. I just go like this. Just look in the phone. All right? And here we go. Here's an example of something that you might do. Hey there, this is Corey. Hey, I'm excited to tell you a little bit about LiveGood. I'd love to welcome you aboard. I think you'll agree if you look into it. It's affordable. There's some serious income potential. Products are awesome. They're low price. They're wholesale. They're based on giving you good health and energy. And right now, if you wouldn't mind going to pleasewatchvideo.com, you can see just a short video from our CEO, Ben, what the products are, what the opportunity is. I'm a little nervous. I don't do this a lot. But once again, if you can just go to pleasewatchvideo.com, I sure appreciate it. Okay, thanks, guys. And that's it. See, I'm good at ad-libbing, so, but if you just want to put little bullet points, and what I do is get like a 5x8 piece of paper, or pad of paper. They're, for $5 at Walmart, you can buy a ton of these things. Just rip them up, throw them away, or do notes. I mean, look what I do. There ain't no doubt about it. I've got probably 15 pieces of paper here of notes, and I'll go, God, I want to make a video for LiveGood. And I'll look at a topic and go, oh, okay, that gives me an idea to make a 1-minute one, 5-minute one, selfie for 60 seconds, or maybe a long-term one where I'm in your living room and we're hanging out, talking in a little more detail, where it takes 10 minutes, 20 minutes, sometimes 30 minutes. I'll do any type of video. I love doing it. I didn't in the beginning. No one likes doing video in the beginning. But anyway, you guys will get good. Just replay this video, freeze it to where I showed you my notes, and I'm going to put up about 5 quick videos. So if you're watching this video, more than likely I've got 4 other ones that just give you some ideas on how to look at your phone and go ahead and record. And then we need to start you uploading to, because from your phone you can upload to TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, and of course the mighty YouTube. Okay, thanks for watching my videos, and it's pleasewatchvideo.com. Self-promotion. All right, take care.